Sure.
Oh, great Talak, please give us plenty of good harvest and glorify our city. In exchange, we offer the blood of this wretched. Oh, great Quetzalcoatl, please come back and kick our collective asses soon.
Wait, Tatalani, we have sighted some weirdos with white faces riding giant deer coming our way. What should we do?
Awesome! Quetzalcoatl has really come to kick our asses. Let's go welcome him into our city so he can kick our ass properly.
Wouldn't that be, problematic?
Problematic? You wretch! You're defying not just me, your ruler, but also a god! I'll have you sacrificed next time as well.
No.
Okay, let's run.
Oh, it's blood sauce.
Blood sauce.
I love it.
Oh, great Talak, please give us plenty of good harvest and glorify our city. In exchange, we offer the blood of this wretch. Oh, great Quetzalcoatl, please come back and kick our collective asses soon.
Wait, Tatalani, we have sighted some weirdos with white faces riding giant deers coming our way. What should we do?
Awesome! Quetzalcoatl has really come to kick our asses. Let's go welcome him into our city so he can kick our ass properly.
Wouldn't that be, problematic?
Problematic? You wretch! You are defying not just me, your ruler, but also a god. I'll have you sacrificed next time as well.
Man, colonizing is so easy. But why do I get this weird feeling that these natives are treating me like a god? They know we are here to conquer them, right?
Welcome! They don't actually look like gods to me. That's annoying. I guess I'll just give them lots of gold and hope they'll be satisfied and just go away.
I, Hernan Cortez, envoy of His Majesty Charles V, and messenger of our Holy Mother, greets the King of the Natives. We come in peace.
Well, be a nice subject then. Here's lots of gold for you and enjoy. Now bugger off.
You know, we came all this way from another continent to see you. The least you could do is throw a party for us. Also, give us more gold.
Fine. Come up and we'll party.
You are a hostage now! Give us all your gold!
Rat!
Okay. Okay, sweet.
Can you move so I can read?
Sorry.
Hey, I haven't seen our ruler in quite a while. Wonder what's up with him.
Haven't seen him since he went inside his house with those white people. By the way, weren't you supposed to be sacrificed?
Shut up! Nobody can know about this!
Man, it's so boring around here with Cortez gone to fight. Hey, savages! How does it feel now that your kings are prisoners? Must suck a lot, eh?
What? What did he do to our king? Screw you!
Ah, blood! Oh. Man, now I really have to go to war with these natives. Men, retreat!
Okay. Okay. Wait, okay. Men, these Spaniards turned out to be deceitful wretches. Let's capture them and sacrifice them to our gods.
Men, for the sake of saving their souls, let's do horrible things to their bodies. Kill them all! I win! I shall claim this empire to be mine. But since I can't pronounce Aztec, Aztec, I'll just call this place Mexico. Ah, blood, ah, destruction. Oh my God.
I play my game. No one's supposed to skip and clean.